Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code from Windows. Right-click, click Open File Location. Right-click Uninstall, click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click Yes to uninstall. Click OK. Right-click Start button, click Run. App data percentage. Click OK. Click View, check hidden items. Delete code folder. Click Admin folder. Delete .vs code. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.